Yes, hello, Jay. In this video, we are going to go over how to edit the images that make up the slider on the top of your home page. When you go to your website, you will notice that you have a top slider, really nice feature, that scrolls through different images when you hover your mouse over it. And then you also have this bottom slider here, which scrolls through different images as well. So you could use this to introduce upcoming shows and events. Let's say you have an advertiser that has a car show coming up. You could put their banner up here. Or if you have a concert that you're promoting, you could put their poster or thumbnail to their banner up down here. So you have two areas where you have images that you can edit. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now, because you'll want to edit these from time to time. There will be reasons why you'll want to edit these images. So let me go ahead and go over how to do that. What you do is you go to your dashboard. You'll log in, of course, to your back-end area. Go to Slides. Simply click Slides. And what you do is, let's say you want to delete a slide. You can simply go to the slide you want to delete and click Trash. You'll notice categories will either be mini or top. Pretty self-explanatory. Top represents these images here. Mini represents these images down here. So pretty simple. Let's say you want to delete an image. Let's say we want to delete this one. All you do is you find that particular image. It'll be under top, of course. It's right here. Simply click on Trash. And that is now deleted. So if we refresh your website, we will see that that slide is now gone. So there you have it. Now, let's say that you want to add a slide. I've just shown you how to delete a slide, and the steps that I just showed you is the same whether you want to delete a slide off the top area here, or if you want to delete one from the bottom area. So you now know how to delete a slide. But let's say you want to add a slide. It's pretty simple. You simply go to Add New, and what you'll want to do is you want to select which category the slide belongs to. Is it one of these top slides, or is it one of the bottom? So we're going to add the one that we just deleted so that I can show you this example, and that obviously is a top slide. We want to give it a name, and its name was Slider 7, so we'll give it that name again. So here's how you add a slide. It's really very simple. You go here to Image URL and you click on Get Image. And then what you want to do is you want to click Select Files. And you want to go to the folder that has your image that you're adding to either the top or the bottom slider. So as you see so far, it's really very simple. So we want to find the image that we want to add. It will be this one. Now here's a tip. You want to make sure that you keep as close to the size that these slides are. So for example, if you right click on this slide and click on View Image Info, you'll see that the slide is 750 width by 360 in height. So you'll want to keep that pretty much as close to these dimensions as possible. When you're creating new images, make sure you stick to it, to this size. Same thing with this bottom area as well. So you can always right click and do view image info, and you'll be able to see the size of that image. You can also, so let's get back to adding an image. So let's say we want to add an image to this top slide. We want to add the one we just deleted. Simply click on Get Image. You want to find the image that you want to add. In this case, it's this right here. Click Open. Wait for it to get done. And then here's what you want to do. You want to copy this entire line right here. You want to copy it. You want to make sure it says full size. You can leave this as default, and then click Save All Changes. What you're essentially doing is you're uploading that image to your website. When you click Save, that image is now saved in the database on your website. So you can exit out, and then you go here and you paste that line of code that you just copied. So you're basically pasting that new image that you uploaded to your website right here under Image URL. Always make sure Disable Image Zoom is checked. And then you have another option. You can actually put a link to where you want that particular image, when clicked on, to go to. So if you want that image to go to an advertiser's website, you can we'll just put Yahoo, for example, here. Or you can have that image linked to a specific page on your website. It's up to you. Or you can leave it completely blank if you don't want that image to link anywhere. Once you're done, and again, make sure you select the right category. Is it a top slider or a bottom slider? In this case, it's a top. Once you're done, click Publish, and the new image will be added to your website. So let's go ahead and refresh, and we should see the image that we just added to the top slider. And there we go. It's right here. Now notice if I click on it, it will take us to Yahoo, because we put Yahoo to be the website that that image should link to. If we take this off, it won't link anywhere. So keep that in mind. If you want to put an advertiser's banner up here, bring some attention to their upcoming event, you can even put a link to their website right here for their slide to link to. So there you have it. You now know how to add images to your top and bottom slider. And the steps that I just went over with you are the exact steps you use whether you're adding an image to the top slider or the bottom slider. And that concludes this video on adding images to your top and bottom slider.